Very good morning, my dear lovely children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Today's class, you are going to learn new lesson. Okay? So let us begin today's class, dear children. Dear children, open page number at 44. Okay? 44. This is your new lesson number 9. Name of the lesson is Festivals and Celebrations. Festivals and celebrations. So spell it, dear children. What is the spelling of festivals? Festivals. Festivals. Okay. And celebrations. Celebrations. Okay. In our India, okay, in our country, we are celebrating so many festivals. Okay, like national festivals and also religion festivals. Okay, so in this lesson, you are going to learn about important festivals, okay, and their celebrations. Now, dear children, tell me, do you feel happy when you celebrate festivals with your friends? Yes, you're feeling very happy, no? When you are celebrating festivals in your home. So, we feel happy on special days, okay? Special days means festivals days. We are feeling very happy on those days. So that we are celebrating festivals, dear children. So, before going to start this lesson, let's do warm up. Today is Harjeet's 6th birthday. So, here see Harjeet. This boy name is Harjeet. Look at the picture and fill in the missing words. Here see, look at the picture. Here Harjeet and his parents and his friends also standing, and they are celebrating very happily birthday party. Whose birthday party? Harjeet. Harjeet's birthday party. And you can see many colorful balloons, okay, and other decorative items also there. Okay, and you can see many gifts also. Okay, so first one, Harjeet's mother has decorated the house with dash. Which one, dear children, tell me? Harjeet's mother has decorated the house with balloons. What, dear children? Colorful balloons. So, balloons. Here what you should write, dear children? Balloons. Spell it, dear children. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S. So, balloons. One balloon means balloon. Here many balloons. So many balloons are there. Colorful balloons. So, what you should write here? Balloons. Okay. In the plural form you should write. Next one. His friends have given him what, dear children? His friends. Okay. Harjeet's friends are standing here and they are looking very happy. Okay. And they have some gifts also. Okay. Here see, his friends have given him gifts. Okay. So what you should write here? Gifts. G-I-F-T-S. Gifts. Next one, his father has baked a dash. Cake, dear children. Cake. So here cake is there, no? Right? So cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Now let us read about festivals. What are festivals? We like to celebrate special days. Okay, we like to celebrate special days to feel happy, to enjoy the days, okay, such as birthday with family and friends. A celebration, here see, celebration is a time to have fun with family and friends. Okay, that celebration day is having more fun and you can enjoy with your family members and also with your friends, dear children. A festival is a special day or a period of days for celebrating an event. Let us learn about some festival. Okay, through this lesson you are going to learn some important festivals in our country. Now put finger where I am reading it. Page number 45, dear children. What is this? Look at this picture. Observe this picture. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak means this is Muslims festivals. Okay, this festival is called Eid. So this is the festival celebrated by Muslims. Okay, this festival name is Eid al-Fitr. Okay. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. So, in the end of Ramadan, okay, the holy month of fasting, people wish one another Eid Mubarak. So, on this day, what the people used to do wish like Eid Mubarak. Okay, we eat sweets like sevian. Okay, sevian is the special dish, dish on this occasion. Okay, children celebrating Eid al-Fitr. Yes, see, look at this picture. Children celebrating Eid al-Fitr. Okay, so this is celebrated by, this festival is celebrated by Muslims. Next one, Diwali. Diwali is also one of the most important festival in our country. Look at this. Children making rangoli on this day. On Diwali, people decorate their houses and shops with lights, candles and diyas. Okay, diyas means lights, lamps. Okay. So, on this day, people decorated with colorful lights, candles and diyas. Okay, so how people celebrate festivals? They are celebrating festivals such as for feeling happy, having fun, eat sweets, decorate houses, wearing new clothes and so on. Okay, so here also you can see they are celebrating and they are decorating their houses and shops with lights, candles and diyas. Diwali is also called the festival of lights, dear children. This Diwali also known as festival of lights. Okay, because we are decorating with full of colorful lights. People greet each other on Diwali and eat sweets. On this day also, they are preparing, preparing sweets, special dishes, and they are greeting each other. People also make rangoli on Diwali. Rangoli. Yes. Okay. So first we learnt about Eid al-Fitr. Then next one Diwali. And first one Eid al-Fitr. Eid celebrated by Muslims. And Diwali we celebrating by Hindus. Okay. Next one Guru Nanak Jayanti. On Guru Nanak Jayanti, people celebrate the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev. Okay, Guru Nanak Dev's birthday. Okay, people celebrating as a Guru Nanak Jayanti. Jayanti means, okay, using this word for some important person's birth anniversary. People usually go to the Gurudwara to pray. Okay, so Muslims worship place is mosque, and Diwali celebrating by Hindus, and Hindus worship place is temple. And Guru Nanak Jayanti, the people who are celebrating Guru Nanak Jayanti, they are going to pray to Gurudwara. Okay, next one, Christmas. Christmas also most important festival in our country, dear children. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Here see, 25th December. Okay, every year we are celebrating Christmas. People decorate a tree and bake cakes to celebrate Christmas. We wish each other Merry Christmas. Here see, look at this picture. Okay, Xmas tree, it is calling Xmas tree, no, Christmas tree. Okay, and you can see so many colorful gifts, balls, stars. Okay, and it looks very attractive, beautiful. And Christmas celebrated by Christians, and they are going to church to pray God Christ. We wish each other Merry Christmas. National days, Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are the national days of India. So here we are celebrating such festivals as the national festivals. Some days we are celebrating across the country. Okay, across the overall the country, these are called national days, dear children, national days. Okay, and some of the names, some of the national festivals are Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are the national days of India. Republic Day, remember dear children, Republic Day celebrated on 26th January. Okay, some of the students they may have doubts on Republic Day. What is Republic Day and what is 15th Independence Day? Okay, so remember dear children, Republic Day is a different festival and national festival, and Independence Day is a different national festival. Okay, and Republic Day celebrated on 26th January every year. India become a republic on this day, 26th January 1950. Okay, on this year, okay, this year 1950, India became a republic. Okay, Republic Day. Next one, Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. So Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August. On 15th August 1947, India got its freedom. Okay, we got freedom on 15th August 1947, dear children. So on 1950, India became a republic country, and on 15th August, India got its freedom from the British rule. Okay, before that Britishers was ruled. Okay, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Recently we have celebrated, no? Recently 2-3 days back we have celebrated 2nd October. Okay, on the birthday of Gandhiji. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, who is Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi is our father of our nation. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi ji was a famous and very important person. Now lesson over, dear children, lesson over. Now page number 46 open. Quick connect, fill in the blanks. Independence Day is celebrated on which year, dear children? Tell me. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. Okay. Next, 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day. Republic Day. Okay. Next, Fact corner. A republic is a country in which people elect or choose their leaders. Okay, democracy country ಅಂತಾರೆ. Write 3 sentences about your favorite festival in your notebook. So 3 points write about festivals, your favorite festivals. 3 sentences only. Like Diwali. Diwali is a festival, Hindus festival, and Diwali, in this day, um, we we are celebrating. We are decorating our houses with full of lights and candles and diyas, and we are preparing sweets, special sweet dishes on this day anta on 3-4 lines about Diwali or Eid or Christmas, any one of the favorite festivals you okay, write in, send a photo to my number. Next, keyword. Celebration means what, dear children? Tell me. A celebration is a time to have fun with the family and friends. Celebration is a word to spend fun with your family and your friends. Festival means what? A special day. Festival means a special day or a period of days for celebrating an event is called festival. So festival means simply that is the special day for us. Okay. Here see, festivals and celebrations. Celebrate with the family and friends. Eid al-Fitr, Diwali, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Christmas. So these all are our festival, important festivals. And Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti are the national festivals, dear children. We are celebrating festivals with our family and friends. Choose the right option. Okay. Diwali is also called the festival of lights, festival of games, festival of colors, festival of sweets. Now tell me, dear children, which one is the correct answer? Diwali is also called the festival of lights, dear children, because on this day we are celebrating and we are decorating with full of lights. Independence Day is celebrated on 14th August, 15th August, 16th November, 2nd October. Which one is correct? Independence means freedom. We got freedom on 15th August. Okay, next one. 25th December is celebrated as Republic Day, Christmas, Diwali, Eid. Which one is correct? Yes, dear children, Christmas. Okay, we are celebrating Christmas on 25th December every year. Fill in the blanks. Next main, fill in the blanks. People decorate a tree on dash on Christmas. We should dash all festival. We should, what, dear children? Tell me. We should celebrate Dash Day is celebrated on 26th January every year, Republic. Now tell me, what is a festival, dear children? What is this festival? A special day for celebrating an event. Okay, a special day or a period of celebrating an event is called festival. How do we celebrate Diwali? Now tell me. By decorating their houses and shops with lights, candles and diyas. Name any 2 national days. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Any 2 of the names you can write in here. Okay. So this much is enough, children. So up to this much lesson is enough, dear children, for exam. So do prepare well for exam, and next class onwards I'm going to start the revision class. So do complete all the works, CW works, complete, and take a correction for from me. Okay, children. So see you again in the next class. Till then, bye, dear children. Have a wonderful day. Okay. Thank you so much, dear children.